Yeah, guys, here see I'm creating a new method inside that class static void get links count is the method, and here see how to get links count. What is the statement we can use? As define a list of web elements. Okay, and here links is the list variable name is equal to driver dot find elements. We have to use find elements by dot tag name. We have to use. Okay, guys, by dot tag name. And what is the tag name for web links? A is the tag name for all link elements. A will be the tag name. So this statement returns the number of all link elements with the tag name as A into this list. Okay, guys. Now print here that size, the list variable size. Line. So links count, okay, in the web page. So links size, links is a list dot size is the method. Size is the method which returns the size of the list. Okay, guys, done. So it is simple. It is very simple script, guys. Only 2 lines of code. So now to run this method, you should call this method inside main method, right? So here I will call that. So here I'm calling that method. Done. As I defined get links count as a separate method, and I'm calling that method inside main method. So that is the script, guys. Now run this. If somebody is talking, anything, Sandeep? Hello, Sandeep. Hello, Sandeep. Hello. Sandeep, if you don't want to ask anything, can you please go on mute? Sandeep.
Sir, his laptop is not working, it seems, sir.
Oh. Hearing some noise. Yeah, okay, guys. See here. Yeah, we are getting the links count in the web page as 46. Okay, guys. So that is the script, right? So that means here, guys, see here. First, we are getting text boxes by using class name. See, by using class name input text. See, guys, I want to explain this particular thing by dot class name. In the last session, we didn't see this execution properly. Say this. See that for these text boxes, the class is, see, there are 3 different class names are defined here for this element, guys. Not only 3, 4. See, input text underscore 55R1, right? See, there is a blank space between these 2 values. Input text space underscore 55R1 is there, right? That means input text is a separate class name and it is second class name. That means for the same element, they are defining multiple class names. It is possible. Okay, guys. Say 61 UI and it is underscore 9 NPI. These are all the different class names defined for this element. Similarly, for the text box, if you see, there are 3 class names. See, blank spaces are there. See, it is input text and it is second one and it is third one, guys. So that means these are the 3 different class names defined for this element. So you can use any of these class names to identify. I want to identify all web elements with the class name value as input to text. So that is what we have written in the script, guys. See that here. Driver dot find elements by dot class name input to text. I'm using first class name. So I'm using here input to text. This alone I'm using. So for email text box, this class name is there. And similarly for password element also, the same class name is available, guys. Understand? So that is why you can see here the text boxes written 2. The number of text boxes written 2. Understand now? There are 2 text box elements with the same class name. So it written 2. And the next, what we are doing, I want to get all the web elements with the tag name input. So here we are using by dot tag name locator with along with find elements method, guys. So here it returns 6. So what it returns here? It returns all the web elements with the tag name, HTML tag name as input. So 6 are written. And next one, table. I want to get all the web elements with the tag name table. There is no table HTML elements are available in the web page. So it returns 0. Guys, suppose in the find element, if there is no element is found, what it returns? The find element method, what it returns if no element is found? Okay, say quickly. Don't take time.
0. 0.
0? No.
Error, sir.
Error. Right. Perfect. Error. When it returns 0, find elements method returns 0. Okay. Not find element method. The find element method returns error. You can check that. You can cross check that. See that. For example, if I take login script in the first script class, suppose if I give ID value wrong, see I will remove I in the email. The ID value is wrong now, right? So here line number 25, the find element method cannot identify any element because I am defining wrong ID. There is no element in the application with this specific ID value, right? So when you run this statement, you can see that exception will be thrown in line number 25. Guys, the find element method returns always exception or error if no element is found. But find elements method, it doesn't return exception. It returns empty list. All of you clear? Let us see this execution. Error should be thrown now. Okay. Let's see here. Error at line number 25. Say that. Line number 25, the error. So because I removed here I. All of you clear now? It returns find element method returns error if no element is found. Guys, yes, that's all about this find element and find elements method and by class name and by tag name locators. Okay, now today's link and partial link. So I'm going to create here one more new class. So linkText. Okay, I'm defining class name as linkText. See, always class name should be defined with the capital letter, right, guys? I'm defining L public finish. Guys, here linkText. So let us define here. First variable declaration, setting property, that are all same, right? So I will copy these two statements up to here. Maximize window, up to maximize window, guys. I'm copying the same script. So here what we are doing, we are launching the facebook.com URL and we are maximizing the window. After maximizing that window, you can see that here, guys. Suppose I want to click on this forgotten password link. It is a web link, right? You can see that properties of this HTML web element, guys. Let us see HTML properties for this web element. Forgotten password link. See, the HTML tag is A, so it is a hyperlink. Okay, A, and see here text. See, what is this forgotten password? The forgotten password text. It is not HTML property, guys. It is not HTML attribute. It is called HTML text. Understand? Why? What is the difference between HTML text and HTML attribute? See, HTML attributes are defined inside tag name. Along with the tag name, adjacent to the tag name. See, that means the next to the tag name. See, it is a tag name. And after that, all attributes should be defined. Understand? Inside this input to tag, inside this HTML tag name itself, attributes and values will be defined, guys. But HTML text will be defined between the HTML start and end tags. HTML text is defined between the HTML starting tag and ending tag. See, this is the starting tag A, and this is the end tag. See, backslash. End tag always preceded with forward slash, not backslash. Okay. So it is the end tag and it is a starting tag. So between these two tags, the always HTML text will be defined. All of you clear now? So how you can identify this web link by using Selenium? Selenium can identify these links by using the HTML text value. By using HTML text value, guys. Because generally for hyperlinks, developers don't define any ID or name attributes generally. You see that here. For this A HTML element, there is no ID or name attributes are available, right? If ID or name available, you can use it for links also. But generally for most of the links, they don't define ID and name attributes. So in that case, what you can use? You can use here the HTML text to identify hyperlink. So let us see that how to use this HTML text. So I copy this HTML text value. I copied this HTML text value. Now I will write here, click forgotten password link. I want to click that driver dot find element by dot. So here link text is the locator. We have to use link text and define here the HTML text value. That's all. What I want to do this element, I want to click this element. So click is the action. That's all. So very simple, guys. So the locator we are using here by dot link text. All of you clear, guys? And HTML text should be defined for this locator as input. By dot locator in link text is the locator with input HTML text, and click is the action. So that's all, guys. So now let us run this. Okay, so that is clicked, guys. After clicking this forgotten password link, it is coming here. Is it right? Actually, after entering email ID, you have to click that, I guess. Once you enter here your mail ID, then gmail.com, then you have to click this forget password. Let us see that now which page, the same page is coming. Fine. Okay, guys, here you can enter your email address or mobile number, and then you can go further. Okay, guys. So here just simply I want to show that how to click link, how to identify the link elements in the web page. by using linkText locator. And there is one more locator, right? How to click link or how to identify the link by using partialLinkText. partialLinkText. How to use this? When you can use this one? Yes, if you are using by.linkText locator, you should define here the full HTML text always. Whatever the HTML text displayed for that link, in that link, the full HTML text should be copied, should be used here. But by using partialLinkText locator, you no need to use or you no need to define the full HTML text, guys. You can use only some part of the HTML text to identify that link. Now let us see that how it works. So I will comment this line, first line. Now I will try to identify the same link element by using partialLinkText locator, guys. Driver dot find element by dot partialLinkText. You should select this locator. And now see, this is the full text. Is it right? Forgotten password is the full text. So now I can use only the partial value of the HTML text. So I will copy only forgotten, not complete value, guys. See, now just I'm copying only forgotten. So it is not a full text of the link, right? It is just simply partial text from the HTML text we are using here. So now the WebDriver will find the link which contains the forgotten string in the HTML text. So when you run this by linkText, how it finds that element? The WebDriver will find the link with this HTML text. That means the link HTML text should match with this HTML, with this string. Understand? So this forgotten password value should be same as the HTML text which is displayed in the link. That means for the link element, the HTML text should match with this value. Only then that link will be identified. But here, by using partialLinkText, how it will identify? It will identify the link with HTML text value which contains the forgotten string. That means forgotten string should be there inside the HTML text. Along with this forgotten string, there can be anything else. Understand, guys? So no problem. But forgotten string should be there in the HTML text value. Along with this forgotten, there can be any string, guys. It will not be a problem. So now, still now it will identify successfully that link. Now, see that. Let me run this. Let's see. Now also it is clicking that link successfully. That means this link can be identified by using linkText locator or partialLinkText locator also. So when we use partialLinkText in the real time, right, while automating any application, there can be some links with very long text, guys. So in such case, you no need to use, right, the full HTML text value if it is a very long. So then you can take some short text. You can take some short text from that HTML text value and you can use partialLinkText locator. Yes, that is the use of partialLinkText, guys. So now, yes, let me take this snapshot. I will copy this code also, guys. Let me take that snapshot. Okay. So it is coming like this. Okay, guys, that is the script for that. And now let us see. L. So link text, guys. Link text locator. So link text. What is the use of link text? Is used to identify web links, web link elements using full HTML text value, guys. HTML text. So that is the use of link text. And next, partial link text. So it is used to identify web link elements using partial HTML text, not full HTML text. That is the difference, guys. Link text and partial link text. So now let us take this script. Done, guys. So guys, can you please download this? I will place this document and can you please execute this script? Link. I will place this document, guys. Please complete this script, guys, with partial link and link text locators.